So I finished this stool or end table, and it's made out of a slice of a tree that I cut down. Had cut down. That tree would actually probably still, well, it would be still there, and it would be in the middle of this house we're building at Bear Lake. And the tree was made as a Utah Juniper, or sometimes called a Utah Cedar. And it came from this campground that Liz's dad ran called Cedars and Shade. And so I saw that we were gonna have to cut down all these beautiful Utah Juniper trees. And so I started looking for a way to do this, and I decided to use this epoxy, this resin, and lots of fun. Took me a long time. I'll show some of the details. So I went and got a new chainsaw blade and chainsaw chain, I guess, blade, and wow, what a difference that makes. Spent an hour yesterday with almost no sawdust coming out, and I cut this stuff all down in half in about, I don't even know, about 5 minutes. So that's where it came from, right in the middle of our property. And these are the two pieces, actually 5 or 6 pieces, but these are the two main ones I was after. So I cut what they call these cookies off. Basically, I just cut off slices off of one of the trees, and it's just so awesome. I'm gonna try and make something out of it. I think a clock. Anyway, in order to try and prevent it from cracking, I put this pentacryl. You have to soak it for 48 hours, and hopefully that's supposed to stop it from cracking. We'll see if it works. Even this little, look at this little branch right here. It's got, the center is red. Anyway, so cool. Sometimes it's amazing how many tools I have to use just to accomplish one little thing. And this little slice of this juniper tree from Bear Lake, I'm trying to make a stool out of, and this is what I've had to use. Well, I'm about, what, I don't even know, 30-40% done. I've got my base done. I whittled away for the rope. I've got the base at the bottom with some tape on there ready to glue. I've got a little bit of edge for the forms so that I can do the liquid plastic epoxy resin. And I've got some templates here. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. And I've got the main seat and the supportive seat and the bottom of the form. There's just a lot of moving parts to this for something that seems so simple. Ready to pour the epoxy. I made this form out of plexiglass and MDF, and then I got some sheathing tape, it's Tyvek tape, and put it around it and put some silicone seal in the cracks, and then I finished off the top. Now I'm going to pour the epoxy resin. Hey Ellie, do you like that?